y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I was on TikTok per usual and I saw something called shake and beef, and I heard about shake and beef in the past, but I was like, oh, I can make that vegan. And also when I filmed this, it was like a Friday, and I do love me a special meal on a Friday. I don't know what it is. It's like the end of the week. Let's make something special. And this was so good. It was super simple. And even if you're not a faux beef girl, I can tell you what to do so you can make it anyway. So if you want to see how I made vegan shake and beef, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm happy to report that this is actually such a straightforward recipe. Like, quick on fast. Okay, so I'm using vegan soy beef. If you've been watching me for a minute, you see this. You've seen me use this. I've seen it literally everywhere. I live in Memphis. I get it in Memphis. There's multiple places where you can get it. Am I good? There's multiple places you can get it. I'm from Chicago. It'd be up there. You can order it online. Like Amazon definitely has it. If you got a Whole Foods nearby, they don't have this specific brand, but they have like faux stuff you could use. If you're like, girl, my friend, she was like, this looks like a piece of the couch. And ever since she said that, I have not been able to unthink that, because like a little bit. But anyway, if you're not a faux meat girly, I don't think this will work with tofu. I'm gonna be 100% honest. You know, maybe it will work in that. How would this work with tofu? Maybe you have to skip this step, because what I'm doing right here is literally unflavored stuff. So like soy. So I infused it with some soy sauce and a vegan chicken bouillon cube. I cover it with cold water. And then the white stuff, y'all, I did this and then I got busy and then I had to come back like 3 days later. So the fat from the chicken bouillon cubes solidified. So relax, calm, do calm. Okay, so I'm seasoning this up with vegan oyster sauce. If you can't find it, you can use hoisin sauce. It will change the flavor of it slightly, but hoisin sauce is good, so it doesn't matter. Regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, if you don't have it, you can skip it, but like the color makes the color nice. And it's not also salty, so like don't worry about it. And then what else did I put in there? Oh, vegan fish sauce, which like low-key you probably could skip, but I was doing it for the plot. And brown sugar to balance it out. Okay, you're gonna stir that around. Now, I was thinking like, there's a lot of sauce at the bottom of this, and the shake and beef thing, like when you're using like real meat, I don't know what that's like, but what I've observed is that you want it to caramelize, and meat doesn't caramelize if it's too much liquid. But like when I got to the stove, you'll see I was like, I'm just gonna see what happens. If you want to be less chaotic than me, I understand, because I do love little chaos. It just adds something to the storyline of life. Okay, so I'm taking some bell peppers, and you're like, why don't you have like a regular size bell pepper? These were left over. I did a picnic video. Oh, it was so cute. I'm still thinking about that day. It was so perfect. And I had these left over from like the hummus that I made, and I'm like, we're gonna use these. These are bell peppers. They're just a little bit little. Okay, so I cube those up. I'm taking an onion, and I'm gonna do the same. These should be like pretty big chunks, but honestly, like, girl, do what you want to do. And I was gonna put more onion, but like, I love to get carried away with onion. Onion is so good. Shout out to Onion. She really be doing her thing. And here's what it should look like. I don't know why I didn't hold it up properly. Like, sometimes I just be doing whatever. Now, take this with a grain of salt. I love garlic. I think I made the recipe say like 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, but I really could have gone more, but I just feel like it might be too much garlic, because I'm not trying to hear y'all say nothing, but I do love garlic. I feel like there's never a time where I was like, wow, this has too much garlic. Are you insane? Especially like, I love raw garlic. Like when you make like a little garlic sauce, like you blend it up with like oil and like you emulsify it with a little yogurt. I need to do that. I need to do that this weekend. Anyway, I have some neutral oil, and my friends and I used to do these virtual cooking nights, and my friend called me mad. He was at the store. He was like, I walk up and down all this store, like, I ain't seen no neutral oil. I'm like, as in like an oil that doesn't have taste. Like, don't use peanut oil. Don't use, I don't know, girl, like, come on now. But everybody can't know everything. A neutral oil, so that, you know, whatever. Okay, I chose chaos and I just put everything in. It took a little bit longer to saute this out, maybe like 10 minutes, maybe 15, maybe 20. I don't know, girl, this was a couple weeks ago. Ooh, I'm sorry. And then per the recipe, how the girls be doing, you put a little pat of butter in there just to give, you see the shine? That's something crazy. That's something crazy. Here she is all done. Isn't she gorgeous? This was so good. It was so good. It was so quick to do. Like, I had it like the next day, like the leftovers with a little bit of that Japanese rice from Trader Joe's. And you gotta like, you could juzz that up too, because I be adding like a little tofu, a little sesame oil, a little just egg. You know, you gotta judge it up. This was so good. It was so perfect. You know, it's midweek, I know, but this is perfect thing for midweek. Like before you go to work, get your stuff soaked and squeeze it out. And boom, bam, you got dinner in like 20 minutes. Like, who said vegan food gotta be slow? And it's never nasty, period. Anyway, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos, because you know I have enough videos. If you made it this far, let me know what I should make next. I'll be writing down, like, okay, I'm gonna do that. Don't worry, I'm gonna do it, okay? Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.